Okay, question 13. It's a proportion question. So I have got P is inversely proportional to T. So let's put some equations together. I know P is inversely proportional to T. So that we can change it into an equation to say P equals K lots of T. We've got a few unknowns there, but I know this pair of solutions. I know when P is 1, that equals K divided by 100. So rearranging that tells me that K must be 1 times 100, which is 100. So my equation for this particular situation gives me P equals K, which I now know is 100, divided by T. I'm going to use this now to figure out the missing values. Okay, starting with this one here. So I know T is 25. So I've got P equals 100 divided by 25. So P must be 4. Okay, that's that one there. Next one, that's that one. Next one. Okay, this time I don't know what T is, but I do know what P is. So 5 equals 100 divided by T. So T is 100 divided by 5, which gives me 20. So that's my answer there, 20. Okay, last one in the table. Again, I know what T is. So P equals 100 divided by T, which is 2. So that gives me 50. And those are my values that I need for the table.